Welcome to Mrs. Jury's channel for today's tasty recipe. Let's get started. Hello friends, I hope you are having a wonderful morning or evening or night depending on wherever you are. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty fried goat suya that will impress your friends. So let's get right into it. So I've got here nice pieces of goat meat with a little bit of fat and some bones. So for my spices, I'm going to blend these with water, and I have here 1 medium-sized onion, and then I have 4 big garlic cloves. I have big chunks of ginger and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. As for the spices, I have here 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of hot ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of everyday seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of beef stock flavor. So after grinding my vegetables, I'm going to pour it on my washed goat meat, and then I'm going to add the spices I mentioned. Next, I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then I'm going to check about 10 to 12 minutes how it looks like, and then I'm going to give it a nice stir and put it back for another 5 to 10 minutes. My dear friends, my meat is ready, nice and soft. So I'm going to take it out now, and I'm not going to use the stock, so you can keep it aside for your stew or whatever you want to do with it. And this is my meat, nice and ready to be fried. So add some vegetable oil on a pan, let it heat up, and then fry your pieces of goat meat. Make sure you don't get burned. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add some peppercorn, just a few peppercorns, about 5 or 6, just to give it a little bit taste. And then I'm going to turn my meat over and let it fry. Now this step is important. As you can see, there's a lot of oil in there, so I'm going to reduce the amount of oil and keep a little bit. And then I'm going to add my suya spice. So I have here 2 tablespoonfuls. Now on the lower heat, add 2 tablespoons of Ghanaian or Nigerian suya mix, and then give it a stir and leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes. And make sure it doesn't burn. That's it, friends. Your meat is ready to be served, and you are going to enjoy it. So let's have a closer look. Next, when you finish, add a bit more suya spice and decorate it with some onions or green spring onions, however you like it to make it nice. Now serve it with skewers, and let's see a closer look. So this is a wonderful fried goat meat. Okay friends, so this was my quick goat meat suya, fried goat meat suya, and this recipe will impress your friends, and it will first of all impress yourself. So make sure you try it out. You can always play around with the spices. Maybe you want to add a bit more spices or a bit less, or maybe a bit more suya spice. Please customize it as you like. It will definitely taste very good. So subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. And a few shout outs. So shout out to Joy Eze, to Miss B, to Gifty, to Chere Efia Jacqueline, Juliana Tufo, Bernard Oche Dankwa, Fulame Titiola. That's you for you, and Elsie Dankwa. See you, bye.